say I can make the rain in the jar with only 3 things. Shaving gel, food coloring, and the jar filled with water, I can create some science experiment. Yes, you heard me right. Science experiment. Rain in a jar. Would you like to see how we can do this? Well, then let's get started. So here we go. We have the jar filled with water, and let's grab our shaving foam. Shake it well and squeeze it into your jar. Shake it again. Squeeze some more. These are your clouds. Ta-da. Now grab the food coloring and put some drops in your jar. As the clouds getting heavier, the rain falls down. Wow, can you see that? Isn't it amazing? That is a real science for you boys and girls. Rain in a jar. I'm so excited. When I was a kid, I could never create something like this. Wow. How amazing is that, isn't it? Yeah, watch the rain falls down. Wow. Well, now you know how to make the rain in the jar. Easy peasy, isn't it? So now, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and create your own rain in the jar, okay? So, for now, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.